To ensure we can keep producing great free content, please leave a comment below or leave a question that we can help you with. Then like and subscribe for all the latest updates. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. The self-timer. When, where and what for? What can it be used for? A self-timer is a great tool and shouldn't be underestimated, as it will help you perfect the sharpness focus of all your photos. It's great for the obvious family group photos, but it's a great aid for helping to keep photos steady on a tripod. This can be used for landscapes, at sunset, night scenes, close-ups where things are moving. It helps keep control of your photo, even if you're shooting daylight and with a waterfall and using live photo for that long exposure. Mounting the tripod maximizes the sharpness of all still images and emphasizes any movement into silky smooth textures. To select the self-timer, on older iPhone models, select the self-timer icon at the top of the screen, giving options of 3 or 10-second timers. On the new iPhone, tap the central grey arrow at the top to drop down the camera functions. Then select 3 or 10-second options. If you have decided to use the self-timer on a tripod for a steady shot, you will physically see a visual countdown in the viewfinder. If you are using the self-timer for a group photo, then at the front, the flash will actually give you a flashing countdown. To ensure we can keep producing great free content, please leave a comment below or leave a question that we can help you with. Then like and subscribe for all the latest updates. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video.